Alright y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple raspberry chocolate chip ice cream. For this we have some sugar, we have some semi-sweet chocolate chips, some frozen raspberries. You could use fresh if you want. We couldn't get good fresh raspberries here, so I'm using frozen. We got some heavy whipping cream, some half and half, and some vanilla extract. So first things first, we need to start with our raspberries. So we're going to make a raspberry syrup. For this, we're going to use 3 cups of our raspberries, and then we're going to add 1/3 of a cup of sugar to that, and then we're just going to warm this up over a medium-high heat. We'll want to stir regularly so the berries nor the sugar burns, and once they start thawing out, it'll become a syrup. Alright y'all, so we have a good syrup here. We don't want it, it's pretty well all broke down. We don't want to get our syrup too hot because we need it to cool down completely to room temperature. And we're going to be throwing in whole raspberries into this later anyway, so it doesn't need to be 100% syrup, just a fairly decent syrup. So let's let that cool down and we'll work on our custard. Alright y'all, so our syrup has come down to room temperature. So now we're going to take 3 cups of half and half, and then we're going to add 3 cups of our heavy whipping cream, and then we're going to add 1.5 cups of sugar to this. We're going to go ahead and get that sugar mixed in. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. We're going to go ahead and get that mixed in. Now we have our syrup. It came out to 1.5 cups of syrup. That's what we have, 1.5 cups. We're going to go ahead, just sploosh that on in. Get that mixed up. Now we want to get that mixed up very, very well. Now we're going to take 2 cups of mint chocolate, or of just chocolate chips. Don't know why I said mint. But we're going to take 2 cups of chocolate chips. You could do more, you could do less. It's your ice cream. Let's go ahead and get those tossed around. And they'll mix up better in our ice cream maker. And now whole raspberries, we're going to do about 1.5 cups. You could do a little more, you could do a little less. It's your ice cream, it's up to you. Let's go ahead and give those a quick toss. And like I said, this will get mixed up more. These will get mixed up more in the ice cream maker. So that's what we need next, is our ice cream maker. Let's go ahead and slide this off to the side. Alright y'all, so we have our ice cream canister here. Now very carefully, I knew that wasn't too careful, we're going to drop our custard into our ice cream canister. So you can see all of our chocolate chips went right to the bottom. Our paddle and our ice cream canister will mix them up. Alright, so we're going to drop our paddle down. Make sure it's seated. Now, this is going to vary on what your ice cream maker's instructions are. Everyone's different. So we got our canister ready to go. We got our ice cream bucket here. We're going to carefully drop that down. Make sure that is seated. Now, because I find mine easier, if I jump all the ice in now, ice will freeze to the canister and it won't spin. So I will lock mine into place. This is my motor. Again, everyone's ice cream maker is going to be different. So once we got that into place, I'm just going to go ahead and plug this in. Let's start. While it's spinning, I'm just going to go in and add ice all the way around this. Okay, y'all. Once we have our ice in, we have ice cream salt here. We're gonna go ahead and dump this in. Now, like I stated earlier, everyone's ice cream maker is different. So ours will take about 30 to 40 minutes to do, and you use the ice cream salt because it'll melt the ice and then without bringing the ice up above freezing. So you'll have a freezing cold water down here around the whole canister. So make sure you keep checking on it as your manufacturer instructions suggest. But I'll bring you back when we have ice cream. Alright, y'all. So I messed up. I put too much custard in my canister and it overflowed, but that's alright because it's a soft serve consistency. I love soft serve consistency. I'm glad it just got there before it completely overflowed. That's why I say check the instruction manual on your ice cream maker. It's kind of key. I messed up. I didn't do that, but that's alright. Now we just gotta get this out of here and put it into a container where you can put it in the freezer in. So I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all. So I've gone ahead. I have a big container full. It's in the freezer now. It'll set up more in the freezer. Me personally, I like to under-churn it anyways to a soft serve consistency because it'll always set up more in the freezer. But I've gone ahead, got a bowl with 3 scoops in it to enjoy. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.